So number one, it's important to understand, and I'm sure everybody knows it, but they don't give it too much credit to a person, especially when you've invested a lot of time and energy and effort, and then you get done wrong. So it's very easy to become jaded. It's important to understand that men at a young age, they are fully invested. Testosterone just hit. And if you look at your menstrual cycle, during the follicular phase, there is an increased production of testosterone, which makes a woman hornier, so to speak. So imagine how a man is dealing with this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's a phase after, I forget what it's called. There's the follicular phase and a phase right after that. It's not coming to my mind right now. I'll put it in the comment section below. But especially when a man is young, I would say under the age of 24. When a man falls in love, he falls in love. He gives a woman his all. But at that age, you women are all about having fun. They didn't create that song, Girls Just Want to Have Fun, for no reason. The fun guy will always be the more attractive, appealing person to a woman. So it's important for men to understand that when they invest too much and they make that woman think that she has him wrapped around her finger, it's not so exciting anymore. That's why I'm always telling men how important it is not to show your cards right away. For a woman to show her cards right away is fine. You know, if a man loves you, he loves you. Just because you're investing everything in him and making that known doesn't mean he's gonna get turned off. Maybe you've been cheated on. Understand, I would say 9 times out of 10, if you've been cheated on by your man, it's not that he doesn't love you, okay? Dealing with that increased production of testosterone that we live with every day, as a young man, we are more inclined to make decisions without thinking with this head. Especially a man who isn't used to sexual activity on a daily basis. You know, if he has an opportunity, he's gonna take it because, I mean, let's be real. It's easier for a woman to get laid than a man. That's a fact. I don't care if the man's a model. If you go on some of these Instagram sites or these Instagram profiles, you'll see how the women, they get millions of comments from men. And the men, if you look, most of the comments are from guys that aspire to be like them. Women watch, sure, they'll hit like, but you don't see them saying, oh, yummy, oh this, oh that, in record numbers by the millions. You see some every so often, but there's a clear visual evidence of what I'm talking about. Now, if a woman cheats on a man, essentially she's been done. She has no respect for him. I always tell men, you want a woman to respect you more than she loves you, because if she respects you and she pays attention to you and you are her world, love falls into place. She will automatically respect you. So that visual evidence, that body language of the display of respect towards a man from a woman is what we need. Now, this advice, okay, isn't going to work for 100% of your situations with a man. If he's cheated on you, okay, it's important to give a man a second chance because he's a man. It is important. it is important to give it another shot. He screws up again, hey, that's it. And at the same time, understanding one another's biology, okay? And our mating strategies as male and female is important to make so that we can make better decisions in our relationships. I see that my subscriber count is increasing. More women are watching, so I figure I'm going to throw this kind of stuff out too. And I think a lot of content today, when revolving around the red pill, there's really only other one content creator that addresses women as well, who I follow and have been learning from. So anyways, you guys, hit that thumbs up if you like this video. If you dislike it, thumbs down twice, my man and my woman. But, you know, this is all just an effort to spread more understanding among one another so that we can have more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Ones that will last, because let's be frank, in this country there is a serious division going on, and they divide any way that they can. They've infiltrated the American home. They divide us by race. They divide us by political views. Hey man, I didn't know that the truth needed a political side. Okay? I'm not going to get too much more into that. Decisions shouldn't be so easy to make. One shouldn't be making so much sense and the other be so stupid, you know? It should be a difficult decision when you're choosing between the two. We should be switching between Democrat and Republican every year. But anyways, Mr. By the Mile, another red pill trucking video for you women. Make sure you hit that like button, ladies and men. You all take care, stay safe. All you new truck drivers out there, I'll see you on the road.